Hi, I'm Simon from Sailing Britican, and we teach people how to become sailing cruisers. Today I'm going to show you 3 cleaning products that I use on different parts of the boat. After 7 years of using inferior products, these are the 3 products that I really like for the jobs that they do. Rust on the metal here outside, and I've tried lots and lots of different products, and I was talking to one of the cleaners on a mega yacht over a 200-foot boat, and he swears by this, and I've used it ever since, and I really like it. I know there's other products on the market, but this is what I like to use. So I've got this bit of rust here. I've got an old toothbrush, a little dab with this. That's probably a little bit too much, so I'll get rid of a bit of that, and then just give it a nice polish, give it a nice brush. And what happens is, if you notice, it started to go, and it goes a little bit darker. So I've just rubbed this for, I don't know, what, 10 seconds, and let's have a look. Voila, there you go, it's gone. That's how easy it is. So I really like it. It's quite therapeutic, and it comes up lovely and shiny. And I found that I used a normal like cloth, but we use these old towels, and it seems to come up really nice with this. So okay, so here's a really good example. It's something that's hidden by the lines here, and it's a cleat that's on the mast. So this is, I'm gonna get in there. And that was really just all brown. Don't worry about getting it on the Gelcoat, because it actually cleans that up as well. Let's have a look. See how this is. Sometimes when it's really that bad, sometimes it needs a double go at it. Let's have a look. So how's that? It's a little bit better, isn't it? So I'll need another go. Look how quick that was. It was only 30 seconds, and you know, Kim's in the way here because she's filming, and but it comes up really easy. Come back in a couple of minutes and you'll see it all nicely polished.
It is hot, and I mean hot.
Sweet. There's 2 different kinds. This one's a marine one. I got this at the boat chandlery, but also you can buy this at good car stores or bike stores. And someone that came on the boat who has a Harley Davidson, he uses this on his Harley Davidson. So maybe that's somewhere you can find it. But I really like it. It's called Autosol. So I've used lots and lots of rust stain removers, and this is the one I like, Starbright rust stain remover. And it's really simple to use. You just spray it on. The good thing about this one, it just follows the tracks that are going down it. And as you can see, look, it's already disappearing. You just leave it on for a couple of minutes, and then just wash it off with a bit of fresh water or a bit of seawater that we have here. But look, you can see, look, it's gone already. And that's only been 30 seconds. Kim's just told me I have to be funny for 2 minutes. Yeah, right.
We could give you a view of how clear the water is.
Look, you can see the rudder down there. That's almost 8 feet down. Look how clear that is. It's hot. Oh, they've just put the heater on. There's no wind. We had 50 knots yesterday. Or 2 days ago, but now none. Okay, so that's about 2 minutes. Now look at that. No scrubbing, no rubbing. Just a bit of water on it. There you go. So this is for Gelcoat, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the Autosol, and I'll give that a polish up. Good. So why doesn't it just stay clean? There's always something to do. I only did this like a month ago and look at it, it's already rusty. We had to exchange our generator a couple of months ago, and I was talking to Renee in Island Water World in St Martin. I said, I use X product for degreasing. He goes, no, use this one. And it is a H7. And wow, it was just night and day between this stuff and the old stuff that we use. And it just cleans up so well. And I even told a friend of mine, and he cleaned half of the, because it got really greasy on the side of his engine, he had to clean it, and it made it so shiny that he had to go and do the rest of the other boat, because even though it was fairly clean, it wasn't as clean as that. So I really recommend this one. Okay, so our engine's pretty clean at the moment, and it looks a bit shiny because I put some anti-corrosion and stuff on it. So there's just a little bit of gunk down here, so I'm just going to, I've just sprayed it, and look at that, comes up off that, really nice. And this is grease and engine dirt and all sorts, so it comes up, so you can see that was all grease and gunk around there, and look at that, you could almost eat your dinner off it, not that I ever would. I've seen it up and down the islands, but I got this one from Island Water World. So those are the three products I use here on Britican, and I really recommend them. And when do I need to use them? Well, sometimes I just walk around and go and have a look and see that some parts are getting rusty, and I go down and I start cleaning it. But also, what I do use here on Britican is I use lots and lots of checklists for maintenance, for cleaning, for doing virtually everything that we have to do on this boat. So if you like a copy of all the checklists that we use here on Britican, you can purchase our Checklist for Sailors guide. If you want to have way more ways of making your boat life easier, safer, cleaner and less frustrating, avoid reinventing the wheel. Over the past 7 years, we have formed easy to follow checklists for servicing boat systems, what to clean and when, passage planning outlines, what to do about seasickness, how to choose a marina, keeping children occupied on a boat, meal provisioning and lots more. Get our 122-page guide containing hundreds of time-saving steps to make your boat life a breeze. Order your Checklist for Sailors guide today and get instructions how to receive a completely customizable Microsoft Word version so that you can add, delete and make the checklist perfect for your boat life. Check out our special offer here or get the link down below. That's it for this week, and bye from beautiful Sandy Island.